let me show you a direct method of solving questions like this. Now, let's look at these 2 points, A and C. We have these 2 lines going to the center to form angle 110 at the center. From the same point A and C, we have these 2 lines going to the circumference to form this angle here at the circumference. So don't forget the theorem that says that angle at center is twice that at the circumference. So once we know the angle at the center, in order to get the one at the center, at the circumference, we divide the one at the center by 2. So 110 divided by 2 will give us 55 degrees. So that means this angle is 55. So that twice 55, that is twice angle at the circumference, will give us angle at the center. Now, this is where the trick is. This is where the trick is. Please take note of this. I don't want to waste your time. Anytime you see a question like this that is similar like this, you can see the angle at the circumference going to this corner or going to this side, whatever. Once you see an angle at the center and you see an angle at the center, at the circumference, and you are given 2 angles at the side. You are given 1 angle and I have to look for the other one. So, for example, we are looking for BCO. 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 That is this angle here. That is what we are looking for. Let this angle be Y. So anytime you are given either of these 2 angles and you are asked to look for one, and then you know the angle at the circumference, the trick is very simple. You don't need to waste your time, especially if you are writing an exam. What you just need to do is to say 20 plus this angle Y is equal to the angle at the circumference, 55. This is just the trick to use. From there, Y is equal to 55 minus 20. And that will give you the final answer as 35 degree. And that is angle BCO. That's the final answer. Hope you can see it. It's very simple. That is just a tricky way to get a question like this. Hope you enjoy this direct method. Please don't forget to like, share, and join for more videos. Thank you.